How to create a TikTok video in Canva PC. First of all, open Canva and make sure you are logged in. Next, on the home page, click the create button with the plus icon in the top left corner. From the design options, select videos or search for TikTok video in the search bar to get the correct dimension. Once the blank TikTok canvas opens, you can start designing your video. On the left hand panel, you will find options like templates, elements, text, photos, and audio. You can select a pre-made TikTok template to save time or start from scratch. To add media, click Uploads to upload your own videos or images. Drag them onto your canvas and arrange them as needed. You can trim, split, or resize videos by selecting them. Add text, stickers, or elements to make your video engaging. Use the animate button to apply animations to text and graphics for smooth transitions. You can also add music or voiceovers from Canva's audio library to match your video style. Once your TikTok video is ready, click the share button in the top right corner and select download. Choose MP4 format to ensure it's compatible with TikTok. Now you know how to create a TikTok video in Canva. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more editing tips. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one.